Honda Cars had in February 2017 recalled 41,580 vehicles in India to voluntarily replace faulty front passenger airbag inflators in models of the City, Jazz, Accord and Civic. The models were manufactured in 2012. Honda Cars India is recalling 22,834 units of the Accord, City and Jazz models in the country as part of a global exercise to rectify faulty airbags. The latest exercise takes the overall number of recalled vehicles equipped with airbags manufactured by Takata, by the company to 3.13 lakh units in India. The company, which is present in India through a wholly owned arm Honda Cars India Limited, HCIL, announced that the latest recall would impact models which were manufactured in 2013. The replacement will be carried out free of cost at HCIL dealerships across the country in a phased manner, starting Friday, January 19, and the company will communicate with customers directly, it said in a statement. According to the company, the recall would affect 510 units of the premium sedan Accord, 22,084 units of the City and 240 units of the Jazz. It said that customers can check whether their cars are covered under this recall by submitting their 17-character alphanumeric vehicle identification number (VIN) on the special microsite which has been created on the company's website. Honda Cars had in February 2017 recalled 41,580 vehicles in India to voluntarily replace faulty front passenger airbag inflators in models of the City, Jazz, Accord and Civic. The models were manufactured in 2012. The replacement drive is part of Honda's preventive global recall campaign concerning defective airbag inflators supplied by Takata Corporation, which has affected at least 7 million cars worldwide. In July 2016, HCIL had recalled 190,578 units to replace Takata passenger front airbag inflators. The vehicles recalled include the generation of the Accord, CR-V, Civic, City, and Jazz, for vehicles that were made between 2003 and 2011.